Hello listeners, welcome you. I am Raghupati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Tandayapuriya Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Now I am going to explain about data objects and attribute types. So before entering this topic, first we should know what is meant by data object. So object means everything in this world is called as object. The data sets are made of data objects. So for example, data object represented in the entity in sales database, the object may be customers. Store items and sales in medical database, object may be patients. In university database, the object may be students, professors and course. Data objects are typically described by attributes. The simply attribute means that detailed about object is called as attribute. So for example, the student is a object means the student will have a name, register number, address, department, year. So these are all the detail of student. The detailed about the students is called as attribute. Data object can also be referred to as sample examples. Instance data points are objects. If the data objects are stored in database, they are data tuples. Next one, what is an attribute? So already told you the detailed information about the object is called as attribute. So an attribute is a data field representing a characteristics or feature of data object. The term dimension is commonly used in data warehousing, machine learning, literature tends to use the term feature, while statistics prefer for the term values. An attribute is a data field representing a characteristics of feature of data object. So there are many attributes are listed here: nominal attributes, binary attributes, ordinal attributes, numeric attribute, interval scaled attribute, ratio scaled attribute, and a discrete versus continuous attribute. So let me see one by one. Nominal attribute. A nominal attribute means relating to names. Each value represents some kind of category, code or state, and also nominal attribute are also referred to as categorical. The values do not have any meaningful order. In computer science, the values are also known as environments. The values of nominal attribute are symbols or name of things. Next one, binary attribute. In binary attribute referred to as Boolean if the two states corresponding to the true and false. Binary attributes given the attribute smoker describing a patient object. 1 indicates that patient smoke, while 0 indicate the patient doesn't smoke. A binary attribute is a nominal attribute with only two categories or states, zeros and ones, where 0 typically means that the attribute is absent and 1 means that is present. And next one is ordinal attribute. In ordinal attribute, nominal attribute has a 3 possible values: small, medium and large. An ordinal attribute is attribute with possible values that have meaningful order or a ranking among them, but the magnitude between successive values is not known. Ordinal attribute suppose that drink size corresponds to the size of drinks available and a fast food restaurant. Numeric attribute. In numeric attributes are quantitative, that is it measurable quantitative represented in integer or real values. Numerical attribute can be interval scaled or ratio scaled. So in interval scaled attribute, the values of interval scaled attribute have a order and can be positive or negative. Interval scaled attribute are measured on a scale of equal size unit. Ratio scaled attribute. A ratio scaled attribute is a numeric attribute with an inherent 0 point. That is, if a measurement is ratio scaled, we can speak of value as being a multiple, that means a ratio that another values. In addition, the values are ordered, and we can also compute the difference between values as well as the mean, median and mode. Next one is the discrete versus continuous attribute. In this attribute, there are many ways to organize attribute types. The types are not mutually exclusive. The classification algorithm developed from the field of machine learning often talk of attributes as being either discrete or continuous. Each type may be processed differently. In our presentation, we have organized attribute into normal, binary, ordinal and numeric types. This can be confusing because it is the classic sense continuous values are real numbers, whereas numeric values can be either integer or real numbers. So real values are represented using the finite number of digits. Continuous attributes are typically represents in float point of variables. If attribute is not discrete in continuous, the terms numeric attribute and a continuous attribute are often used interchangeably in the literature. Thank you.